little explorers. Welcome to our animal adventure. Today we're going to meet some amazing animals and learn their names. Are you ready? Let's go! Here comes the king of the jungle. It's a lion. Can you say lion? Lions are strong and brave. Wow, look at this tall animal. It's a giraffe. Can you say giraffe? Giraffes have long necks to reach leaves at the top of trees. Can you stretch your neck like a giraffe? But here's a playful friend who loves to swing. It's a monkey. Can you say monkey? Monkeys are very smart and love to play. Can you pretend to swing like a monkey? Bowing, bowing. Look at this jumping animal. It's a kangaroo. Can you say kangaroo? Kangaroos have strong legs to help them jump, and they carry their babies in a pouch. Can you hop like a kangaroo? Look at this giant animal with big ears and a long trunk. It's an elephant. Can you say elephant? Elephants are the largest land animals. They love to eat grass and leaves. Can you pretend to have a long trunk like an elephant? Look who's quietly wandering through the forest. It's a deer. Can you say deer? Deer are gentle and love to explore the forest. Can you walk quietly like a deer? Hoo-hoo! Who's that up in the tree? It's an owl. Can you say owl? Owls are nocturnal, which means they're awake at night. Can you hoot like an owl? Here's a cuddly, sleepy friend. It's a koala. Can you say koala? Koalas love to sleep and eat eucalyptus leaves. Can you pretend to nap like a koala? Look at this big furry animal. It's a bear. Can you say bear? Bears are strong and love to fish. Can you pretend to catch a fish like a bear? Wow, look at this striped cat. It's a tiger. Can you say tiger? Tigers are big, strong cats that love to sneak quietly in the jungle. Can you tiptoe like a tiger? Here's a slow and steady friend. It's a turtle. Can you say turtle? Turtles move slowly, but they never give up. Can you crawl like a turtle? Now look at this colorful bird. It's a parrot. Can you say parrot? Parrots are great at mimicking sounds, and they love to chat. Can you flap your arms like a parrot? Look who's hopping by. It's a frog. Can you say frog? Frogs love to hop and swim. Can you hop like a frog? So thank you for joining our animal adventure. If you enjoyed meeting all these amazing animals, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time, little explorers. Bye-bye.